Morning. This is a quick demonstration of a engine run lock on a Sprinter van. So this is a time fitters van we've built, and obviously when the guy's running his time machines, we've got a leisure battery and a mains inverter, but you know, leisure batteries, no matter what size, they take a hit when you're running, you know, big inductive motors. So what we do with this is we fitted up an engine run lock. So press that button. What that does is it will then keep the engine running whilst you take the key out. So vehicle is charging a battery still, 14.3 volts, engine's running, RPM shows on the dash, so it's keeping the circuits alive that need to be. This is a CanBus controlled run lock by CanM8 CanM8. So it's using CanBus to control the engine run lock. So what this guy can now do is, when he works on his vehicle, he can shut the door, have his side door open, turn on all his lights. He's obviously running off the leisure battery as well. His inverter's on. And what he can do is lock the vehicle. So the cab is now locked, engine's running, you can work safely without having to worry. If you left the van open and somebody jumped in, there's 3 inputs on this which will shut the engine down, so the key's still absent. So engine will stop if someone touches a brake, it will stop if somebody releases a handbrake, it'll stop if it detects speed as well. So this one monitors 3 circuits: speed, foot brake and handbrake. So just for demonstration I'll do the foot brake, so get it in shot. Dead. So it's gone back to a dead vehicle now. Vehicle stayed locked, steering wheel stayed locked. Voltage now is creeping back down to 12.6 residual voltage. So yeah, any mechanic's van, anyone who's working out the back of a van who needs, you know, batteries topped up, leisure batteries topped up, the run lock is essential really. You don't want to be leaving your keys in the ignition whilst you're working around the back, because it does happen. People will jump in and drive off whether you're in the back or not. So yeah, quick demonstration again. Vehicle in, sorry, key in, engine starts. There's no fault codes on the dash. This is a very safe, CAN controlled run lock. So what you do to select it is tap the button once, that fires up. You get 10 seconds of input ignoring, so you can still, as you get out, if you catch the brake, whatever, it won't deactivate. It only comes live after 10 seconds. So yeah, you can take the key out straight away, but the inputs are ignored for 10 seconds, and that's again. So this time we'll do the handbrake. So you can see engine RPM at 900. If I drop the handbrake, there we go. Sorry, I didn't actually drop it. Let's cut the engine out. So yes, 3 inputs which deactivate the run lock: foot brake, handbrake and engine speed. Thanks for watching. Cheers.